Okay guys, so today was almost a break-even day. I had one green trade and one red trade, both on BLNK. I did end the day slightly up net green, and so I'm definitely happy to have another green trade this week. Remember, I day trade live on stream every weekday morning, and so if you want to watch me trade these setups and patterns that I speak about live on stream, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join us every weekday morning right here on YouTube. And with all that being said, enjoy this live trade video. Given at that time here, at this point I'm in 200 shares and just trying to see it tank some more here. It's down to 396. Goal at least is take a partial at 388 and then let it test the lows at 383 if it can get that low. But that's a big if. Don't mind holding it here. Don't mind taking, $20 loss on the day because I am trying to up my sizing. So right now it's just about whether it's going to continue to get rejected at 4 and fall, or break over 4 and possibly break out on the upside.
Is there any big seller that went
There's
in
the
there
90.
in the 390s? Is there any big seller that jumped in there at 390s that can help you?
I'm going to take a partial here with 100 shares.
All right, guys, getting a little bounce here on MPTN here, probably to the VWAP right here at 813s.
All right, so I took a small profit on that one. I'm going to let the final 100 shares work and be relatively comfortable in this trade. I took 200 shares. I let it come back down to around the low. That's the level I said. I said 389. I ended up taking a small partial at 390 instead, and I'm going to let the rest test the low of the day. My ultimate goal with BLNK right now is for it to crack under those lows and get down to this 350 level. If it can get down to 350 and crack under specifically 384, it looks much more interesting from 384 down to 350. And I'm going to give it that time. I took a partial up a small amount. There we go, 386. Looking good. Going to let it test again, see if it can really break it this time.
I'm thinking about shorting here at 3103, 3105.
It's right around the low of the day. Big level here. 383. Looks much better on the 5-minute chart, but still watching it pretty closely here at 383. Want to see it actually make a bigger move down. Watching the level 2 fairly closely here. Back down to 383. Want to see this area hold. 382, nice. Let's see if we get that crack. 381. Let's see this move. Up, spike back up to 386. And I'm out. Okay guys, so this was my trade from today on BLNK. You can see it eventually spiked up to this 413 level, but the beautiful thing about this trade is that if you enter it at the right spot, it's a good risk reward setup. You can see if you enter it right around $4, you could set your risk at this 407 level for a 7-cent risk and your potential reward all the way down at the low of the day at 383, and so it's a good risk reward setup. Like I said, this one eventually squeezed up, but the beautiful thing about this setup is that if you take a partial at the low of the day where your target is, you're comfortable in the trade, and so if it does squeeze up, you can get out for a small win or even a break-even trade and not stress about it. But if it does continue falling down and break the low of the day, it's going to be a much bigger winner, and so that's usually the position you want to find yourself in as a trader, either a break-even or a big winning trade. And so I'm not necessarily disappointed with this trade today. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. If you want to watch me day trade live on stream every weekday morning, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join us every weekday morning at 8:45 a.m. market time. I stream until about 10:15, 10:30 market time, and you can watch me implement these setups and strategies live on stream. And so like I said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Good luck in the markets, and I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching, guys.